The future of web development trends to watch in 2025. Chapter 1: AI-powered development. AI is changing the game. From automated code generation to AI-driven UX enhancements, web development is getting faster and smarter. Expect tools like GitHub Copilot and AI-powered chatbots to be even more advanced in 2025. B-roll AI-generated websites, chatbot interactions. Chapter 2: Low-code no-code platforms. Not a coding expert? No problem. Low-code and no-code platforms are empowering more people to build websites and apps without writing tons of code. These platforms are getting better with more features, making web development easier than ever. B-roll drag-and-drop website builders. Chapter 3: Web3 Decentralized Apps, DApps. Blockchain and Web3 are here to revolutionize how we use the internet. With DApps, smart contracts, and DeFi platforms, web development is moving towards decentralization, giving users more control over their data. B-roll blockchain transactions, Web3 applications. Chapter 4: Cybersecurity Data Protection. With cyber threats increasing, security is a top priority. Multi-factor authentication, AI-driven threat detection, and blockchain-based security solutions will be key in 2025. B-roll hacking prevention, secure authentication. Outro. So, which of these trends do you think will have the biggest impact on web development? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.